This tap essentials video is on the Bombershay tap step. So if you want to learn how to do that, keep watching. There are 3 components: ball dig, spank, and heel dig. You want to make 3 sounds or beats. Time to practice. Try going faster. Try going even faster than that. One more time. How fast can you go? Try doing the Bombershay on the other side. Practice time. Speed it up. Do that one again, a little faster. One more time, even faster than that. I'm going to teach this eyebrow to go up. Maybe like this. Like I can connect that muscle nerve memory. You see? Nothing's happening. Timing for the Bombershay typically is and a 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4. I didn't even say that well. And how was your week? I'm really hungry, so I'm going to be making